Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a special day. It's my birthday. I'm 20 today. Oh my gosh. I'm officially not a teenager anymore, so you can't tease me about it, guys. I had family over last night and friends, and we just kind of hung out. We played some games and we had soup. My mom made some soup and it was really good. So today my family and I are going to go to a corn maze, so that's gonna be fun. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We got some pumpkins to carve today, and we'll probably just like play games and hang out and eat. Just chill, you know, just have a good day. And I'm really excited. It's really nice outside. It's gonna be like 69, 70s. Pretty nice outside. Let me show you my outfit really quick, and don't mind my room because it's a mess from trying to choose what to wear. This is my outfit. I just have this shirt and this little cardigan, and then black jeans and little booties. Well, hello there. How you doing? Nice day out, isn't it? Here we go. On an adventure. Are you gonna get in it?
What? Oh.
Down this side.
I can't see you.
No, on this side? What are you doing? Alright, we're going. And I chose the longest maze. It's 3 miles, baby.
Watch where you're walking.
I also have to pee, but they only had porta potties and I really don't want to go in there. Help me. Lead the way, men. Do 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 do. Oh, there's corn. Do 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 do. Oh no, I'm losing my pack. I need to catch up to them. Not 10 minutes in and we're already lost. We're already going in circles. Oh no. We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Do 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 do. Watch your step. Do do do. Just walked in a spider web and it went right in my eyeball. Yay, check number 3. How many do we have?
Ready, watch.
Mom. 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 Mom, 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 mom. Do you feel old?
What? What? Why?
Because I'm 20.
I know, I don't feel old, but you're old.
What? That's not how it works. Oh no. It's getting a little rough in these parts. I made it. I made it. I did it. And ready? Check. Yay! And number 6 is done. We're almost done. It's getting a little warm up in these parts of the maze.
Where are you from?
You just spit on me. My jacket. Oh, crap. I dropped my jacket. Oh no. What's going to happen now? Oh, there's other people's. PSA, I still gotta pee. My bladder's not holding up very well.
You're weird.
That's okay. It's fun to be weird.
I know. Spent your whole life being weird.
I gotta pee so bad. Help me, guys. Help me. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's squishy.
I know.
Alrighty. Our time is almost over. Oh my gosh.
What?
What's going to happen?
Nothing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did it! We're back in Missouri. We took a quick little moment when we were in Dorothy Land. What is it?
Oz?
We were in
The land of Oz.
Okay, so we just got home, went to Sprouts before on the way home, got a couple treats for me to have, and I'm about to pee my pants, so I'm gonna do that, change, and then we're gonna either carve pumpkins or we're going to make a dessert or something, so I'm so excited. Okay, I got my orange sweater on, all falled out with my black leggings and pumpkin socks. So I think I'm all ready to go carve pumpkins and have some yummy desserts. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. It's the next day, obviously. So yesterday we just came home, had dinner, watched a movie, chilled, and we're actually going to be doing pumpkins today, so I'm excited for that. I'm going to go have a smoothie downstairs. My mom just made a smoothie, so that sounds really good. And then we'll probably carve pumpkins and play games or something, I don't know, or watch another movie, I don't know, just another chill day. And we're gonna be doing face masks, so I'm excited about that. I love face masks. And yeah, so I'll see you in a little bit. So I just came downstairs and my mom made the smoothie and it's so cute. And I just want to show you guys real quick. It says, I really like you. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so I just got back from Zumba with my aunt and then got home, changed, and took off my makeup. And then drank a bunch of water and coconut water, so I'm like super full right now. But my family, what is today? Today's Monday. So we didn't carve pumpkins yesterday, but we're finally gonna do it right now, even though it's like 9 o'clock something, 10, I don't even know. But we're gonna carve pumpkins finally, and I will show you guys what I end up doing, and then I will see you in a little bit. Yes. There he is. Little baby Groot. Oh my gosh, that took forever. But isn't he so freaking cute? And then here's what my mom did. She did an owl. It's so pretty. And then it's kind of dark, but my dad did this creepy pumpkin cat face. And the stem, oh thanks Mom. The stem is right there. And he has creepy eyes and teeth. It's all rotting. So there's the pumpkins all done. Bye bye baby Groot, bye. The aftermath of pumpkin carving. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna take all those seeds and make some yummy snacks out of them. So of course I forgot to do an outro for this video, so I'm editing it right now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos every Friday. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.